So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the first letter of every word capitalized in Google Docs. So if you were to just type something normally right now, so I will type in this is the example I want to use. So as you can tell, the only word that automatically capitalizes is the this because it's the start of a sentence. But if you want to make it so that without having to do it manually, every word, so the U here, the T, the W, the I, the E, the T, and the I all become capitalized letters. Pretty simple. Just highlight the text you want to change that to. I go to Format in the top left corner, press on Format, hover over text right here, go all the way across, scroll all the way down to Capitalization. Don't press uppercase, don't press lowercase either. Press on title case right here. This will make every beginning, or sorry, I guess every letter at the beginning of a word capitalization here in Google Docs. So I'll press on that right here. Then all of a sudden, this is the example. This is the example I want to use. The U's capitalized, the T's capitalized, W, I, E, T, I, and T. And that is how you guys can capitalize the start of every word, or capitalize the first letter of every word here in Google Docs. I hope this video helped.